Greetings, dear learners. Welcome to Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting video planned where we will delve into the fascinating world of least common multiples and greatest common factor. Get ready to embark on a learning journey filled with knowledge and enjoyment. Before we begin, I want to emphasize the importance of safety, so please take care of yourselves as we progress through this enriching session. May you always be blessed and guided by the divine. Let's start the lesson and make the most of this valuable opportunity to expand our understanding together. Happy learning.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
What are the least common multiples and greatest common factors? Ano ang least common multiples at greatest common factors? Least common multiples, LCMs, and greatest common factors, GCFs, are two important concepts in mathematics. They are used in a variety of applications, including music, computer science, and engineering. Ang mga least common multiples, LCMs, at greatest common factors, GCFs, ay dalawang mahalagang konsepto sa matematika. Ginagamit ang mga ito sa iba't ibang aplikasyon, kabilang ang musika, computer science, at engineering. Least common multiple. Pinakamababang karaniwang maramihan. The least common multiple, LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is a multiple of all of the numbers. For example, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, because 6 is the smallest number that can be divided by 2 and 3 without leaving a remainder. Ang least common multiple, LCM, ng dalawa o higit pang mga numero ay ang pinakamaliit na numero na isang multiple ng lahat ng mga numero. Halimbawa, ang LCM ng 2 at 3 ay 6, dahil ang 6 na ay ang pinakamaliit na numero na maaaring hatiin ng 2 at 3 nang hindi nag-iiwan ng natitira. There are several ways to find the LCM of two or more numbers. One way is to use the prime factorization method. To do this, you first prime factorize each of the numbers. Then, you find the highest power of each prime factor that appears in any of the factorizations. Finally, you multiply together all of the prime factors using the highest power of each factor. Mayroong ilang mga paraan upang mahanap ang LCM ng dalawa o higit pang mga numero. Ang isang paraan ay ang paggamit ng prime factorization method. Upang gawin ito, una mong i-factor ang bawat isa sa mga numero. Pagkatapos, makikita mo ang pinakamataas na kapangyarihan ng bawat prime factor na lumilitaw sa alinman sa mga factorization. Sa wakas, i-multiply mo ng sama-sama ang lahat ng mga pangunahing kadahilanan gamit ang pinakamataas na kapangyarihan ng bawat kadahilanan. For example, to find the LCM of 2 and 3, you would first prime factorize each number. 2 katumbas 2 and 3 katumbas 3. The highest power of 2 that appears in either factorization is 1, and the highest power of 3 that appears in either factorization is 1. So, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 asterisk 3 katumbas 6. Halimbawa, upang mahanap ang LCM ng 2 at 3, una mong i-factor ang bawat numero. 2 katumbas 2 at 3 katumbas 3. Ang pinakamataas na kapangyarihan ng 2 na lumalabas sa alinmang factorization ay 1, at ang pinakamataas na kapangyarihan ng 3 na lumalabas sa alinmang factorization ay 1. Kaya, ang LCM ng 2 at 3 ay 2 asterisk 3 katumbas 6. Greatest common factor. Pinakamahusay na karaniwang salik. The greatest common factor, GCF, of two or more numbers is the largest number that is a factor of all of the numbers. For example, the GCF of 2 and 3 is 1, because 1 is the only number that is a factor of both 2 and 3. Ang pinakamalaking karaniwang kadahilanan, GCF, ng 2 o higit pang mga numero ay ang pinakamalaking bilang na isang kadahilanan ng lahat ng mga numero. Halimbawa, ang GCF ng 2 at 3 ay 1, dahil ang isang ay ang tanging numero na isang salik ng parehong 2 at 3. There are several ways to find the GCF of two or more numbers. One way is to use the Euclidean algorithm. To do this, you repeatedly subtract the smaller number from the larger number until you get a remainder of 0. The last number that you subtract is the GCF. Mayroong ilang mga paraan upang mahanap ang GCF ng 2 o higit pang mga numero. Ang isang paraan ay ang paggamit ng Euclidean algorithm. Upang gawin ito, paulit-ulit mong ibawas ang mas maliit na numero mula sa mas malaking numero hanggang sa makakuha ka ng natitirang 0. Ang huling numero na iyong ibawas ay ang GCF. For example, to find the GCF of 2 and 3, you would first subtract 3 from 2. This gives you a remainder of -1. Then, you would subtract 2 from -1, which gives you a remainder of 1. Since the remainder is now 0, you know that 1 is the GCF of 2 and 3. Halimbawa, upang mahanap ang GCF ng 2 at 3, ibawas mo muna ang 3 sa 2. Nagbibigay ito sa iyo ng paalala ng -1. Pagkatapos, ibawas mo ang 2 sa -1 na magbibigay sa iyo ng natitirang 1. Dahil ang natitira ay 0 na ngayon, alam mo na ang isang ay ang GCF ng 2 at 3. Applications of LCMs and GCFs. Mga aplikasyon ng LCM at GCF. LCMs and GCFs have a variety of applications in mathematics, music, computer science, and engineering. Ang mga LCM at GCF ay may iba't ibang aplikasyon sa matematika, musika, computer science, at engineering. In music, LCMs are used to find the lowest common denominator for a set of fractions. For example, if you have a set of fractions with denominators of 2, 3, and 4, the LCM of these denominators is 12. This means that you can express all of the fractions with a denominator of 12, which makes it easier to add and subtract them. Sa musika, ginagamit ang mga LCM upang mahanap ang pinakamababang common denominator para sa isang hanay ng mga fraction. Halimbawa, kung mayroon kang isang set ng mga fraction na may denominator na 2, 3, at 4, ang LCM ng mga denominator na ito ay 12. Nangangahulugan ito na maaari mong ipahayag ang lahat ng mga fraction na may denominator na 12, na ginagawang mas madaling magdagdag at ibawas ang mga ito. In computer science, LCMs are used to find the smallest number of resources that can be shared by a set of processes. For example, if you have a set of processes that each need 2 units of memory and 3 units of CPU time, the LCM of these resources is 6. This means that you can allocate 6 units of memory and 6 units of CPU time to the set of processes, which ensures that they will all be able to run without running out of resources. Sa computer science, ang mga LCM ay ginagamit upang mahanap ang pinakamaliit na bilang ng mga mapagkukunan na maaaring ibahagi ng isang hanay ng mga proseso. Halimbawa, kung mayroon kang isang hanay ng mga proseso na ang bawat isa ay nangangailangan ng 2 unit ng memorya at 3 unit ng oras ng CPU, ang LCM ng mga mapagkukunang ito ay 6. Nangangahulugan ito na maaari kang maglaan ng 6 na unit ng memorya at 6 na unit ng oras ng CPU sa set ng mga proseso, na nagsisiguro na lahat sila ay makakatakbo ng hindi nauubusan ng mga mapagkukunan. In engineering, LCMs are used to find the smallest number of parts that can be used to build a set of objects. For example, if you have a set of objects that each need 2 wheels and 3 gears, the LCM of these parts is 6. This means that you can build the set of objects using 6 wheels and 6 gears, which minimizes the amount of material that is needed. Sa engineering, ang mga LCM ay ginagamit upang mahanap ang pinakamaliit na bilang ng mga bahagi na maaaring magamit upang bumuo ng isang hanay ng mga bagay. Halimbawa, kung mayroon kang isang hanay ng mga bagay na ang bawat isa ay nangangailangan ng 2 gulong at 3 gear, ang LCM ng mga bahaging ito ay 6. Nangangahulugan ito na maaari mong buuin ang hanay ng mga bagay gamit ang 6 na gulong at 6 na gear, na nagpapaliit sa dami ng materyal kailangan yan. Conclusion. LCMs and GCFs are two important concepts in mathematics. They have a variety of applications in music, computer science, and engineering. By understanding LCMs and GCFs, you can solve a variety of mathematical problems and apply them to real-world applications. Ang mga LCM at GCF ay dalawang mahalagang konsepto sa matematika. Mayroon silang iba't ibang mga aplikasyon sa musika, computer science, at engineering. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-unawa sa mga LCM at GCF, maaari mong lutasin ang iba't ibang mga problema sa matematika at ilapat ang mga ito sa mga real-world na aplikasyon.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic about basic content outline for mathematics major. If you learned something from this video, Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.